Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I do not feel offended, nor I feel upset, nor I get angry as my leader of the house, who got so angry. Hey, theek hai. I was laughing and I was speaking. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I would like to refer to the page number. Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I request the learned people of the learned government, headed by a learned leader, Mr. Revant Reddy Saab. Sir, about report of the Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement, page number 655, sir. Sir, in that second paragraph, page 655, it is reported by the government to this commission that the Vigilance and Enforcement Director seized the records pertaining to Madigadda, Anaram and Sundila barrage. Right, sir? Yes. Now, going to the next page, sir. Sir, it is restricted its inquiry to Madigara barrage only, it says. Go to page number 667, sir. In the above facts and circumstances, this commission, now listen, last paragraph, page number 657. In the above fact and circumstances, the commission does not prefer to review the interim report and the final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take appropriate steps pursuant to the said report in accordance with the law. Sir, now what? Sir, no, sir, you're not understanding. You're not understanding what am I saying. Sir, you ask for suggestions to be given. If I am wrong, you please correct me. I have given a suggestion stating that as per my research and my reading and my understanding, it is understood that the vigilance report was not commented by the commission, stating that in the term of references, they are not being set to study the vigilance report. So, and
again, no, अकबर साहब, जब हम कमीशन अपॉइंट किए, एक मिनट, नहीं, आप एक के ऊपर आप ऐसे बोलते गए ना, लोग मेरा इंटीग्रिटी को भी चेक करने के लिए मौका मिलेंगे. I have appointed this commission, GOMS number 6, dated 14/3/2024. मेरा सरकार बने December 7, 2023. Within 2.5 months, I have appointed this commission. Vigilance and enforcement तब तक कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं दिए. उसके बाद विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट कमीशन रिपोर्ट दिए. उसके बाद वो रिपोर्ट हम कमीशन को भेज दिए. जिस दिन हम अपॉइंटमेंट किए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट का रिपोर्ट ही नहीं है. मैं कैसा इस जीओ में TOR में टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस में मैं कैसा लिखूं? हाउ दैट वी हैव टू इंक्लूड एवरीथिंग इन दिस जीओ? अरे सही साहब, आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं भाई? आप नो अकबर साहब, आप मेरा दोस्त है, आप लिबर्टी ले सकते, मजाक भी कर सकते मेरे से, मगर सरकार से मजाक नहीं कर सकते. ये ठीक नहीं है. अरे आप रिजाइन किए तो क्या भाई? आप रिजाइन किए तो मुझे क्या मिलना? मेरा अच्छा दोस्त हाउस में रहना है. नहीं, आपके एक्सपीरियंस मैं लेना चाहता हूं. नहीं, अकबर साहब, आपके यू आर 6th time MLA, you are senior most MLA in this house. I need your experience. I need your support. No.